So the cost of we're trying to get it under 1,000. So lots of the trainer courses are a couple of thousand. But what we're trying to do is get people set up with veins, with some online support and with certification. So they do the trainer program premium, so they get a bit more consult support, which gives us reassurance that we know that they're operating to our level. They are then allowed to certificate with the VeinTrain certification. Without that, they've got no authority to do that. So it has to be there on our program. And then so that people know when they've got a VeinTrain certificate with the serial number, it's endorsed by us and it's our certificate. And we're happy with that. So that's the I certificate. It's about 50% less per delegate. So people like that. So that comes in at 809 plus VAT. So under 1,950. Well, no, 970, I think. Yeah. So that's the course, the 10 simulators, the certificates, and the online support for the delegates. So basically, that's their training and their first class, their first cohort of 10. All right, however many they do. And we've trained a lot of them. And we've done a lot of practical with them as well. So they've got the masterclass videos level, which is a little bit more involved than the rapid, and they've got access to some core content as well. So we've done some of the theory for them as well. So